Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Quick Assist from Start and choosing Give Assistance. This immediately creates a secure session code. Once you see the code, tell the other person to open Quick Assist and paste that code under Get Assistance. Make sure both machines are online and that Windows 11 updates aren't blocking features. If prompted, accept UAC or consent dialogues so remote control can proceed. This first action enables secure remote help quickly, so don't delay past the code exchange. Once the code is accepted, you'll choose between full control or view screen only. Pick full control to fix issues directly. As the helper, click Request Control and wait for the remote user to approve. As the person receiving help, click Allow to grant control. Use the session toolbar to transfer files, annotate the screen, or pause input when needed. Keep talking through steps so they understand changes. Make sure you verify any admin prompts. Remote control won't bypass privileged confirmations. To finish, click Stop Sharing or Close so control ends and no one can reconnect without a new code. Once done, guide the user to sign out or restart if system changes were made. If the session disconnects, regenerate a fresh code and retry. Often a flaky Wi-Fi or firewall rule caused the drop. If Quick Assist fails repeatedly, make sure both PCs have the same Windows 11 feature updates and temporarily disable restrictive firewall rules. Then try again. That resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.